G'day, welcome to Art with Alison. Today I'm going to be showing you how to attach the hardware that's needed to hang your canvases. Now there's the smaller canvases that don't have this down the middle. Sometimes you can get away with, at least for at home, that you can just, let me see, like on this one, if you wanted to, you could just simply hang that on a hook. However, it's not that secure, so if you're worried that children or someone might come along and touch your painting and it could fall off, and obviously you don't want it broken, it would still be worth putting these little hooks in and a little bit of wire. It's not that difficult. But certainly with these big ones which have the wood down the middle, you can't do that. So anyway, the thing is with these is to have your hook, or at least your D-ring. These are D-rings. I'll come a bit closer. This is a D-ring. So it's got a little hole, and this kind of looks like a D. And this needs to be attached between 1/3 and 1/4 from the top of your painting. Now this is the top of this painting. This is 60 centimeters wide, so 1/3 of that is 20 centimeters. So that's 20 centimeters, and they say with the larger ones to have it between the 1/3 and 1/4, preferably a little bit shorter than the 1/3, just to help it to hang better. So I might do this one here. I'll just mark it with this. What did I say, 20? So maybe at 18. Not sure, it's got to get it exactly the same on both sides. So 18. Mark there. Can I see that? Snowing that you can hear. At least one of my dogs. So that's 18 centimeters. Oh look, it's very close actually to where I've previously had the push pin in, it looks like. Might be easy just to go in that hole. So I'll measure where that is so I get it exactly the same for the next one. It's just only like 18 and 1 millimeter. Yeah, that'll be a lot easier if I've already got the hole started. So some of them have a flat edge and a rounded edge. This one doesn't. This one is just equal on both sides, so it doesn't matter which way up it goes. Some people have them facing towards the middle. I guess that's not a bad idea, because that's where the weight will be. So I'm going to see if I can do this without a drill, because it's just pine wood, so I should be able to. Maybe. I just got to go through that canvas as well. At least the canvas already had the hole in it. This is quite easy. Obviously, with any screwing in, you don't want it to, not that you're likely to want to undo it again, but you need to keep the pressure downwards, otherwise you can end up rounding off the top of your head of your screw. You might notice I've put a sheet down. I've already got plastic on this table from when I was doing the varnishing, but just in case there is any little lumps of anything on it, I have put a clean sheet down just to protect the painting, because it would be pretty sad if it got a mark or a dent or something. Alright, well, that's pretty well in, it's quite flexible. I guess when I've finished it all up, I can tighten it up completely then and do the same on the other side. Good. Alright, so the framing wire is actually, it's plastic coated wire, so it makes it easy to handle, so it's not going to cut your fingers, and also is flexible. So you want it about 4 inches over the edge. So you make it tight like that, and then you go in here and go around up there and pull it tight. Nice and tight, and then go round and around, and then yeah, the rest is you just simply twirl it around, and that just gives it the strength. Hold it tight. You don't want to tie it off yet because you want to make sure that you've got the right length. If you start cutting your wire too soon, you might have too much or too little, so wait to cut your wire until the end. Sure those end bits are bent in nicely because you don't want them. I might cut that end bit off because it's a bit jagged. Make sure I pick up the pieces because it could be a bit dangerous, especially if one of my dogs trod on it. There we are. Good. Could have been neater, but that'll do. Obviously it's going to be hanging off a hook, and the hook isn't going to be up here. You don't want it showing up the top, and your hook's probably going to be around here. So the rule of thumb is to have it so that this part is about 4 inches from the top. So turn my ruler over and get my inches. So that's 4 inches. And then across to there. And then get that extra 4 inches in there. I might just anchor that down a minute. Put a little, I'll just bend that over with my thumb. So now I know where that goes on the D ring. Take that to 4 inches, cut that off. And do the same on this one. And there. Around again. Pull it tight. And then go around. Try and do this one a bit later. ready to hang. I'll just tighten that down. Oh, that'll do. Okay, this is my other one I'm going to be doing. Just double check I've got the top. It's sad if you do it the wrong way up, wouldn't it? Need to maybe about 4 inches. Pull it tight and then go through again. Pull it tight. And then and go around and around and around. Across. I'll bring it up a bit more because it's smaller canvas than another one. That should do it. I'll just put a little kink in the wire there, my fingernail, so I know, and then cut it off about 4 inches after that. So you go around, do your kink, and then under again, so you get a little slip knot basically. Oh yeah, it should go around that side, and then down tight, make sure that bit's tight. That's what the strength is, and then is that in focus? I don't know. Sorry if it hasn't been in focus. Go around, and round, and round, and round, and round, and round. Probably be speeding this bit up. Anyway, that's fine. It'll hang nicely on a hook. Okay. Happy with that. Alright, I hope that's helped. And happy hanging. That doesn't sound so good. Happy painting. Yeah, enjoy your artwork. Alright, thanks for watching and catch you. Oh, before I forget, I have a Facebook group called Acrylic Pouring and More for all artists at all levels. So yeah, I'd love you to join. I'm looking forward to this group taking off, and we can all share ideas and our projects, everything we've done. And I haven't got lots of little petty rules. It's just be kind and considerate and respectful of each other. And yeah, just go for it. Share and help each other. All right. And I'll catch you soon. Thanks heaps for watching. Bye.